Hello, everybody. I'm Commodore Boone with Commodore Production. Happy Valentine's to you and your loved ones. Hope you're having a good old time, having a big old blast, having a great time. Keep watching out for Commodore Productions. We got all kinds of stuff in the works. We're getting them ironed out and going to be shipping them out pretty soon. So keep on a watch out for that. If you ever want to join Commodore Productions, leave me your information down below in the comments. And if you got a couple pocket change, a couple of dollars here and there, please donate to Commodore Productions. Really need it. Getting uniforms and tools and computers is getting a little expensive, but everything's out there. But you just have a good day on your Valentine's Day. Don't worry about all this other stuff I mentioned about. So take care. See you down the stream. Take care. Have a good one. Happy Valentine's Day. Commodore Productions.
Hello, this is Captain Mark with the USS Crytek. The crew and myself would like to take this opportunity to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is a good opportunity to hang out with your significant other, whether it be a person or a furry friend. And if you don't have either one of them, maybe it's a time to make that phone call you've been holding off because you didn't have the courage to make. Either way, and hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day. So that's the end of today's video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Everybody have a good evening, and we'll see you in the future.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.